Seats out again. Right, I am troubleshooting specifically my fuel gauge. Give it accessory. You see the tacho does its thing. She moves ever so slightly. Now, I tried re-earthing this. I've gone underneath, hence why the seat's out, and re-earthed it to other places underneath the dash with my makeshift earth lead. We'll come back to the super slowly moving fuel gauge and see it's struggling to get to half a tank. I got to half a tank before. Come on. But yeah, you see how it's just not going and doing anything. So I'm going to show you how to earth it out. When you go on forums and things and people say you've got to earth out your fuel gauge to see if the gauge is knackered, or to see if your fuel sender float thing is knackered. Underneath, well, for an XWXY anyway, you should be able to access your sender from here, and there'll be a wire about here which you can pull off there. And as you can see, I've already prepared something earlier to help me earth out this fuel gauge. So what you need to do is just literally earth this connection from your fuel sender to an earth or a solid part of your vehicle. So I will shove that wire in here like so. Yeah, let's go turn the ignition on and see what happens. You could probably jack the car up to do this, and just that little connector, you can probably earth it against something if you've got enough reach. I can't be asked. I've already got my wire there, so we'll see what happens. We'll just turn to the accessories. Look at it move. Look at that. Look at it go. Look at it go. Never seen it so full. So earthing it out means the gauge works, but it also means my fuel sender is garbage. Brilliant. So watch that come down, just to show you that it's not a fluke. It'll come down nice and slowly, I think. Or will it? There you go. Once all the juice is out of it, it'll come down. But no, we'll try it again. Alright, so at least I know that that works. So what do I do now? So this will be the second fuel sender I've done in this car. I think it's only running the standard 302 fuel system, so what I might do is just put a new fuel system in. Perfect excuse. Why buy the same part twice? Alright, we'll do that. Anyway, there's a quick video on how to check if your gauge is knackered or if your sender is knackered. Hope you enjoyed it.